Want a spotless pool without lifting a finger? These robotic vacuums are changing the game. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best robotic pool vacuums built to keep your water crystal clear. From smart navigation to powerful scrubbing, these machines handle the hard work, so you can just dive in and enjoy. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Polaris Freedom Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Freedom Plus cordless robotic pool cleaner, designed to take the hassle out of pool maintenance. This advanced cleaner is perfect for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, ensuring a deep and efficient clean every time. With the Wi-Fi-enabled handheld remote, users can control the cleaner, calling it to the waterline for easy removal with quick water release. The premium outdoor-rated charging caddy allows for effortless storage and transport. Simply cradle the cleaner into the base, plug it into a GFCI outlet, and your cleaner will be fully charged in just 5 hours or less. Stay connected with your cleaner using the iAqualink app. Monitor charging status, select cleaning modes, and receive push notifications when your cycle is complete. With 3 retrieval methods, you have flexible options for easy cleanup. With over 50 years of reliability, Polaris has set the standard for durable, high-performance pool cleaners. Second product on our list, Prowler 920 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Prowler 920 Robotic Pool Cleaner, a top-of-the-line solution for keeping your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. This genuine OEM product is engineered for all-surface deep cleaning, offering a powerful, high-speed scrubbing brush that tackles debris with ease. What sets the Prowler 920 apart is its user-friendly design. It comes with a top-access filtration basket for fast, effortless debris removal. Whether you're dealing with larger leaves or fine dirt, this cleaner has you covered with interchangeable filtration cartridges. This robotic cleaner is also programmable, letting you set daily cleaning schedules with its built-in weekly timer. You can rest easy knowing your pool will be clean every time you're ready to dive in. With the Prowler 920, maintaining your pool has never been easier or more efficient. Third product on our list, Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, your new poolside companion. Designed for pools up to 33 feet, this robotic cleaner climbs walls with ease, delivering a deep clean across every surface. Its active scrubbing brush tackles debris like a pro, gentle on tiles, yet tough on dirt. Thanks to its top-load filter basket, cleaning out leaves and grime takes seconds. Just lift, rinse, and you're done. The plug-and-play setup makes operation effortless. Simply plug it in, drop it in, and let it clean. No extra tools or setup needed. In just 2 hours, your pool looks like new. Backed by over 40 years of Dolphin innovation, the Nautilus CC stands out for performance, durability, and convenience. It's not just a cleaner, it's peace of mind in every cycle. Fourth product on our list, Dolphin E10 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Dolphin E10 Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. It's designed with an active scrubber brush that tackles stubborn debris while staying gentle on your pool surface. No more scrubbing by hand. One of its best features is the top-load filter basket. It's easy to remove and clean, helping you maintain crystal clear water with minimal effort. Simply pop it open, rinse it out, and it's ready to go again. Thanks to its plug-and-play system, setup is a breeze. Just plug it in, drop it in the pool, and let it do the hard work. In just 1.5 hours, it delivers a deep clean. The E10 also uses smart navigation technology to map out the most efficient cleaning path. Whether your pool is round, rectangular, or freeform, this robot handles it with precision. Fifth product on our list, Seauto Crab Pro Robotic Cleaner. The Seauto Crab Pro, a cordless robotic cleaner built for in-ground pools up to 2,000 square feet. This smart vacuum tackles everything, from leaves and algae to pollen and stones. Its dual suction motors and 108 watts power deliver a strong 80 GPM flow rate. It's efficient, yet quiet. The built-in 7,800 milliamp hours battery supports extended cleaning sessions, while the press-and-go design makes operation simple. What makes it stand out? It cleans not only the pool floor, but also the waterline, an often neglected area. With 250 micron filter density, even fine debris doesn't stand a chance. It's fully cordless, auto-docks when low on battery, and is built to last over 10,000 hours. From deep cleaning to smart navigation, The Seauto Crab Pro is a pool owner's dream. Clean smarter, not harder.